Okay. So, hello everybody. Hello, my friends. My name is Nick.
My name is Alex, and today we're going to trade a little bit. So there will be some competition between me and Nikolai. We have prepared our battle accounts, so we're going to open a few very interesting trades, and this will be currencies versus cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to stick for the cryptocurrency plan, and I'm going to open. So we do have this plan of opening 5 trades, $50 each. And this will be our ultimate goal. Only 5 trades, 2 minutes duration, and this is like a revolver with the 5 bullets inside. So we're going to shoot all of the 5 trades per today's session, and we're going to take a look at the market conditions where like the best spot to make these trades. And yeah.
Yeah, well, yes, my friends. Well, Alex, thank you very much for the rules of our stream today. But my friends, so before we start, so at least at first, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss anything. Don't forget to give us thumbs up. So if you like such streams, of course, well, I guess that you like such trading battles. And of course, so well, at first, so let's check the sound and the picture. So please type in chat something that everything's okay with the sound and the video. If there are no any technical problems from our side. Yes, so my friends, and soon we will start trading. So a topic, as Alex has already mentioned, so it will be really interesting. Yes, well, I know that some of you prefer to trade on cryptocurrencies, and crypto is a really popular asset right now. And tomorrow, by the way, so my friends, so don't forget to come to our stream. So Alex and Shahbaz, so they are going to tell you more about these assets. Yeah, so if we may consider cryptocurrencies as safe haven assets, yeah, so during this crisis time. Well, everything is perfect, Alex. Traders are writing that everything is fine. So, well, I guess so we may start. What do you think?
Okay, cool. Let's start in this case. So we'll start from me or from you.
Oh, well, it's up to you to decide. So if you want, you may start. If you want, I may do that. So.
Okay, maybe I can start.
Okay, cool.
And you just ping me in a few minutes if I'm going to overall take a lot of time.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So.
So Alex is sharing his screen, so he's trying to share his screen. So my friends, again, so let me remind the rules. So 5 trades, $50 each, and the trade duration will be 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So Alex is trading for crypto. Okay.
Yeah, guys, so what can we see here on the Bitcoin chart? So Bitcoin is rapidly falling down. So 6 or 7 months ago, it was traded on around 50, 60K, and now it's below 20K, and 20K was some sort of psychological level of support, but it was like initially broken here in the beginning, like in the middle of previous months, and we have traded some sort of consolidation since then. So I want to share like the basic idea how in general I trade cryptocurrencies. So first of all, I need to determine the trend, and it's obvious here that we are facing down. So the main trend is going down, the local trend is going down. So we are falling down 4 days in a row, meaning that I do have 5 trades today, and probably the majority of them will be to the down direction. So what did this?
It's lagging, yeah.
Yeah, my platform is lagging. I don't know. Yeah,
well,
one second. Yeah, maybe Nicola, you can start, and I will,
yeah, so do something with the platform. So
yeah, it's always when I'm trying to trade, everything is glitching. It's like I get used to this.
Well, okay, that's okay. That's the usual problem, my friend. So just be careful with that. So today, well, as for me personally, so I'm trading for just usual currencies, cross currencies. like majors, so-called majors, so currencies with the United States dollars. And my friends, well, as for me personally, so I prefer to use moving averages. Well, I guess Alex likes them too. But well, as for me, today I'm going to use the 200 moving average. And as you can see, my friends, well, as usual, so it is at first, it's showing the direction of the global trends, yes. And the second thing is that it may be considered as the support or resistance level. So right now, Australian dollar and Japanese yen, the currency dropped to the 200 moving average and is trying to rise. Well, in this case, I will try to open my first trades up. So the duration is 2 minutes. And so while we are waiting for the results, so let's try to find something else. So here the same, yeah, so the trend is more bullish, and right now the price is returning back. So my friends, two possible ways to trade. So the first one is that we consider this moving average as the support level. So when the price reaches this level, we expect it to bounce back. And the second possible way to use it is when the price is too high, too far from this moving average, then in this case, we may start trading against the trend, yes? So right now you see that there is a probability that the price will return back to the moving average. And in this case, of course, actually, I will try to open my position down. So in euro, down, in Australian dollar, up. Alex, are you ready with the platform?
Yeah.
Well, in this case, so let me stop sharing my screen, and I will give a word to you so that you will open your trades. So
yeah, actually, I have opened up a trade while you were, yeah, because I saw a very interesting consolidation here, and like the price breached through this level, and I saw very big volatility increase. So I think that's like probably we're going to move like upwards from this direction, and that's why I open one trade upwards. And as you can see, we're trying to break through the level. We're trying to get higher. Maybe I will open up another trend because I can see the volatility is increasing, and I assume that I hope my first trade will be profitable. But when you're trading cryptocurrencies, it's a very like what needed to be done. So you must follow the trend because cryptocurrencies are full of trends, and you need to determine the trend in its initial phase if you can, and just follow this trend and open a lot of trades in one direction. This is like one of the key features that I'm using here. And as you can see, my first trade came with a positive result. My second trade is not in a very good shape because there is a resistance here. We're trying to break through this, but we do have a crossover of the simple moving averages. We do have the end of this consolidation, and I think that I'm not going to open like any more trades into this particular situation. I'm just going to sit around for a couple of minutes and wait how this confrontation will end between the bulls and the bears here on this level. And Nikolai, I think if you do have some interesting moments, interesting entry points, you can open them up. And like while I'm waiting, what is going on here on the Bitcoin chart? What do you think?
Why not? So let me share my screen, my friends. Well, as for me personally, so I two of my trades were closed with profit. Yeah, so you may see in euro and British pounds and Australian dollar, Japanese yen, so they were closed in profits. And I opened the third one. Right now, it's not so successful with euro USD, so I expected the price to return back to the 200 moving average. So actually, my friends, it's a historical time. So we are the witness of a really interesting thing. So right now it is almost the parity between two currencies, between the United States dollar and the European euro. Yes, and actually the last time it was in 2002, I guess. So I opened my third trade, and right now I guess this will be in loss. So let's try to find something else. So British pound, the United States dollar, the same situation. So the moving average is rising. So it's more like a bullish trend, and the price is really too far from the 200 moving average, but there are no other signals to trade down. So that's why. So let's leave this asset, and sorry, let's switch into some other assets to try to find the signals. Well, as for the Australian dollar and the Switzerland franc, yeah, so you see that the price is breaking the 200 moving average and is trying to fall. So in this case, of course, we may consider this as a good signal to trade down. Yes, well, again, my friends, so if the support level is broken, then the price may start falling, may start continue falling down. So my first trade will be down, and so here I'm trading against the Australian dollar. So so while we are waiting, so Alex, are you waiting with your trades or not yet?
I'm just trying to understand what is going on, but
okay.
Yeah, I can take take this
word.
take
Okay,
the
so,
stage. Yeah.
okay, so why not? So I stop sharing my screen. So Alex, please. So while Alex is explaining to you, my friend, so there was a comment in the charts about my last three trades or was not credited yet, so and details. So I don't remember you. So please could you remind us? So when did you win your risk-free trade? So what stream? What stream was it? Because actually, all our traders, all our winners got risk-free trades. So okay, so Alex, may I ask you to continue, please?
Yeah, guys, so what I'm waiting here for, so we do have this consolidation, and I drew some lines to make it more visible, and now I'm waiting. So, and there is a level of resistance here. So my first trade come with a profit, another one was unsuccessful. So what I'm waiting now, so the price will go down and reach this line of this of this price channel once again, and probably there will be some retests in another attempt to go up. So I'm trying to catch this. It's not a falling knife, but I'm trying to catch this, nice quotation. So we are dropping like five or six candles in a row, and I guess this will be one of the interesting entry points here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait a little bit until the quotes will go a little bit down and open an up trade. An up trade on Bitcoin and another up trade on the Ethereum, because like we'll take a look in a few moments, but Ethereum is trading with a lot of like correlation with the Bitcoin, but it does have a little bit different structure of the movement. So I'm going to, I think this is like the good position here. So we do have 6 red candles in a row. We're pretty close to this level, and there are some attempts to go higher. So I open my third trade over here, and as I've mentioned, I want to take a look at the Ethereum, what is going on in Ethereum. So as you can see, we do have pretty much the same consolidation, but it was more in triangle form, and now it's like getting it retest of this level. So maybe I will open up another trade, another up trade, because there is some northern movements here. We're going up. There is consolidation on Ethereum, on the Bitcoin. So I expected to trade down in the beginning of the session, but here on the lower time frames, I can see that we need to trade upwards because we need to follow this current trend. So there is a trend, there is consolidation, there is another movement, there is a retest of this level, which I'm highlighting right now, and I assume that we will continue to go up. And if we continue to go up, my last trade will be in the same position upwards. So I guess I'll like wait for these trades to come for an end. And Nikolai, if you do have any other trades, you can share your screen and put them on the table.
Yeah, why not? Why not? So, guys, well, as for me personally, so today I'm unlucky a little bit. So well, actually, almost all the time. So my fourth trade was in plus, but at the very end, so the price direction changed, and right now, so actually it was closed in minus. So 50-50 right now. The statistics is, and my fifth trade is will also be in minus, I guess. Well, unfortunately, so that's why. Well, Alex, I guess you will be the winner. So maybe, yeah. So we'll see.
I don't know.
Oh well, sorry. So guys,
What?
I'm sharing. That's my bad. Sorry. So let me share my screen. So that's
I wasn't sharing screen.
yes. I wasn't sharing the wrong screen actually. So here we go. My friends. Oh no, it wasn't plus. It wasn't plus. So
Lucky you.
guys, have a look. So actually, so right now everything should be fine. So look, three of my trades were in plus and two of them were in minus. Yeah, so well, I cannot say that's a good statistics, but anyway, so from the very beginning I had $250 on my account, and now it's 275.50. So well, actually the profit is about what? Well, $25, yeah, so 25 and a half. So why not? So why did I open my last trade down, my friend? So again, so have a look. So the 200 moving average on the 1 minute time frame is moving down. So in this case, of course, we may consider this trend as a bearish trend, yes. And of course, in this case, well, the 200 moving average can be considered as the resistance level. And as you can see, so the price bounced back from this level, and it did it twice. So actually, so here we are dealing with the double top chart pattern. Yeah, so the classical double top pattern. So well, I guess that the price will continue to fall on the British pound and the Australian dollar. Of course, we will see. So we cannot be for 100% sure, but still there is a probability that it will continue falling. So Alex, I'm done with my trades. What about yours?
Yeah, let me share my screen. So I do have. Can you stop your screen sharing? Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, cool. So yeah, I do have 4 trades right now. And let's take a look at the results. So the last 2 were successful. So there is like 3 successful and 1 unsuccessful trade at the moment. And I was just, staring at the Bitcoin chart, because this level that I drew like a few moments ago, it was like standing still, and we tried to breach this level. I was, preparing myself to open another up trade over here, but as you can see, the chart goes down. So what I'm assuming here will happen. So probably we will need a little bit more consolidation before we can, breach this level, because we're getting closer and closer to 20k. It's this level is 940, something like this. So $60 before the 20k, this psychological level. So probably we will like have some upper movements, and I assume that we will consolidate, and probably this consolidation will be in a more narrow corridor. So my last trade, I'm going to open another trade upwards. So this is my last trade on Bitcoin, and I can see that on Ethereum we do have relatively the same structure and situation. So there is some narrow corridor in which we're trading, but we're facing up. In any case, Bitcoin is leading all of this, all of these movements. And as I mentioned in the beginning, what you need to do, you need to follow up the trend. So in this case, we're trading upwards. We just need to a little bit like see the structure of this movement, how it's trading. So I can see, so Bitcoin bulls are desperate to go up a little bit, and they just need a little bit of consolidation. I assume that this level actually is going to be breached. If I had another trade, I will wait a little bit until we go up, maybe return back for the retest of this level and open up another like 2 or 3 trades. But in any case, this is my last trade for today, because it's our 5th trade, and we do have some special rules with Nikolai. So Nikolai, I do have like one tiny question for you.
Yeah.
I recognize that your like battle account contained $275. So
Yeah.
how it happens? So where this coming
Yeah, so
from?
because of the percentage of profitability. So some of my trades were opened on the assets with the profitability of 87%. That's because
Okay,
that's because of
okay.
this. So I'm on an expert level, and you are on a starter. So that's why, well, actually, yes, I do recognize that's not so fair as it
Actually, I'm not on the
seems.
starter level. While we were
Is it? Oh
trading,
well, it's an
I
advanced
leveled
level.
up.
It's an,
Yeah,
an
yeah,
advanced level. Yeah. So well,
yeah.
anyway, so actually, well, some of your assets they have lower profitability than mine. Yes. Well, I guess.
Yeah, so
Uh,
my last trade actually ended with a plus. So I do have 4 positive trades and 1 negative here on the
well,
Bitcoin.
anyway, you won.
Okay, okay, cool. Actually, if this trade wasn't successful, I will lose because I had $270 and you have $275. So you can really have some advantage of the statuses actually in this higher profitability. Okay, in any case, guys, you can trade these movements on the cryptocurrencies. I do believe that we're going to continue to move upwards. There is a very nice price channel here for the $40, and I guess you can try to trade this, in the reversal before we go through this big level or came back to this area. So this is very interesting idea to trade, but I cannot do this, so that's why I stopped my screen sharing. And Nikolai, thank you for the 2 days battle session. So I lost in the previous one, although I did have some profit, but yeah, this one was more successful for me. Thank you for that. And in this case, maybe we can go to our next feature which we have
Yes, for
prepared for
sure,
the
for
guys.
sure. So, my friends, today we are going to play the game with you again, and you will have a chance to get risk-free trades as prices. So, this will be Alex who will play this game. Or as for me, my friends, so I will collect your ID numbers. So, again, don't forget to send the ID numbers in the chat so that we will be able to identify you to give your prices. And today's game is really interesting. So we were speaking about cryptocurrencies, and the task will be quite simple. Alex, what the task will be like?
Yeah, so the task is very, very simple if you're familiar with the crypto a little bit. So you need to guess the crypto. So we are going to show you the logo of the cryptocurrency, and you need to write down which cryptocurrency it is. So please write down the enter and your ID number so we can identify you and give you risk-free trades as the reward. So like our first I decided to
Oh
start
my God. I know.
our first item here on the board. Actually, it can be a tricky one because there is different,
Different types of
symbols.
logos.
Yeah,
Right.
different types of logos because there is a lot of forks of this cryptocurrencies, and they look like pretty much the same. That's it's a little bit tricky one, but not so much.
Well, actually, we have the winner. This is Dinesh. Dinesh wrote Bitcoin. Yeah, Dinesh, you are absolutely right. Thank you very much for your answer. Thank you very much for your ID number. So, guys, the answer is Bitcoin, of course. So this one was quite easy.
Yeah,
Uh,
just for the starters.
oh, that's it. 65072 113. So, Dinesh, you are our first winner for today. Well, the next one is Alex. So
Okay.
please.
Yeah, guys, the next one is a little bit more tricky one, but for those of you who yeah, so the answer, I am revealing the answer.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
answer
yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
Bitcoin. Yeah, the next
Mhm.
one is a little bit more tricky, but for those of you who like some securitization, I guess you know this guy. It's one of the cryptocurrency that's aimed to have some sort of more advanced securitization of the transactions to be them not so transparent as in the majority of other blockchains. And very, very one tiny thing here. So the name of this cryptocurrency is actually familiar with the symbol that you can see here. The same as the Bitcoin stands for the B. This one stands for the D. So the first letter is the D. I don't know. We don't have any answers right now.
Of course, we have, and we have the winner the winner who is Sherwin baptized. Yeah, so Sherwin wrote dash. Sherwin,
yeah.
you're absolutely right. So the ID number is 70219732. So thank you very much, Sherwin, guys. Thank you very much for your answers. You still have a chance to win. So the last one is a little bit more complicated. Alex, what do you think?
I don't think so. But yeah, actually, this game is not very complicated, because if I was doing this game, I will like add a little bit more complicated items. But yeah, this is our last third item. So this is cryptocurrency, one of the forks actually of the Bitcoin. It's like maybe not so popular, the forks of Bitcoin, but I remember in 2070s, like before Ethereum goes into the market and represented the era of ERC20 tokens, the majority of the cryptocurrencies were the forks of the Bitcoin, and this was one of the first and maybe interesting Bitcoin forks. I think only Bitcoin and actually this cryptocurrency does have a Lightning Network support. This is a special payment channels for the cryptocurrency, so we can pay in, for instance, in Bitcoin, not waiting for like 10 minutes without like any fees. So it's like very interesting payment solution that was developed. And if correct me if I'm wrong, but I think like only this particular cryptocurrency does have a support of Lightning Network as well. So, Nikolai, do we have a winner?
We have winners, sure. Of course. Well, almost everybody guessed correctly, but the first one was Merlians. Merlians wrote Litecoin. The ID number is 88000223. Well, thank you very much, my friends. Thanks a lot for this game, Alex. Well, it was not so complicated, but it was interesting anyway.
And it was fun. It was fun.
It was funny. Yeah, so just quite offbeat logos for different cryptocurrencies. Well, that's quite good. So, guys, well, as actually, so let's, by the way, yeah, so I'd like to mention one more thing. So, well, I see that there is Peter Chej in the charts, and Pizza was one of the first winners. I do remember this. Yes, I do remember one of the first winners during our first week of this Back to the Future challenge, but Peter didn't leave his ID number. Peter, please, if you are in the chart, leave your ID number so that we'll be able to give you risk-free treats. So just for the first game, for the first week of our challenge. And my friends, by the way, all of you have a chance to win again. So tomorrow we will have a really interesting stream with Alex and with Shahbaz. So we will speak more about different cryptocurrencies. We will speak more about maybe the history of cryptocurrencies and how to use them right now during the crisis. And actually, we are going to give you prizes too again. So the task for you for tomorrow will be the following. You need to guess, to forecast the price of Bitcoin by 10 a.m. UTC, by 10 a.m. UTC. Okay, so this will be 1 p.m. Moscow time, well, UTC +3, 10 a.m. UTC. So guys, please guess, forecast the price and write leave these in the comments. Yeah, so below this video, so you may leave your answers, and tomorrow we will choose maybe 3 or maybe more winners, so who are actually the most precise. Yeah, so let's say so. Okay, my friends, Sky Hacker is writing. So while Alex, so let me read the chart a little bit. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
just Sir, answer me. I was the first of the last question. Sky Hacker, no, you were not. Well, unfortunately, so your message was retracted. So let me say to you, yes. So well, the first message was from Sky Hacker. This message was retracted. Then it was Merlians who wrote dash. If we speak about dash, if we speak about Litecoin, the same situation. Yes, so Sky Hacker. So I may share my screen so that you will see it better. So what I can see, what I can see here. So let me have a look. So just guys, Alex, can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you see? Do you see the chart?
Yeah.
Or not? So Sky Hacker, this is for you. So look, my friend. So well, your message was retracted, and then it was Merlians who wrote Litecoin and the ID number. So you were not the first. So the same is for Navneet Halala. Yes, so Navneet wrote, I was the first. No, well, look, so Navneet, you wrote dash. But before this, Merlians, so that's what I see in my chart. Merlians wrote dash two. So, well, and actually before Merlians, so we have another answer from Sherwin Baptist. Yeah, so who wrote dash? Yeah, so here we go, my friends. So this is not, it's not fake. Yeah, so that's how it is. Yeah, so that's what I see in the chart. So everything is correct. Everything is correct. Okay, so guys, again, I'd like to thank you very much for coming. Again, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss anything. Don't forget to give us thumbs up. Don't forget to leave the comments below the video. Alex, a word to you.
Yeah, guys, and we will see each other tomorrow, approximately at this time. And don't forget to leave your comments below this video with the forecast on the Bitcoin at 10 a.m. UTC for tomorrow. So we will take a look, and the most precise comments in the comments. So please share your actually like comments with the price, with the vision. Why do you think like Bitcoin will reach this price tomorrow? And of course, your ID number, so we can identify you and give you rewards and risk-free trades. So don't forget to do this. Tomorrow we'll pick up a few winners. One of the categories for winners will be the comments with the biggest majority, with the majority of the likes underneath this comment. So I guess your forecast needed to be quite interesting for the other users as well. And yeah, I think this is it for me for today. So tomorrow we'll speak more about cryptocurrencies. I'll share my vision, what I'm thinking about the current market situation on the cryptocurrency and in general. And see you guys tomorrow. Thank you
See
so
you, my
much for
friends.
thanks, Nikolai, for this great trading opportunity that we do have today. It was actually fun.
Thank you too.
to
Thank you
trade.
too. So see you guys, and bye bye.